Number one is free to join. Number two, you can make $19 or even more per hour. And number three, you can do it at your own schedule, at your own free time from the comfort of your house. Sounds good? This is what I'm going to talk to you about today, so stick with me. And I'm going to show you every single detail you need to know about this website. Before we go ahead and start this video, this is Chris with MarketingSeriesCN.com. And before we start, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because I want you to be part of my channel and I want to get your feedback as well. It would be a great honor if you click the subscribe button. It would be meaning a lot to me. And next to it, there is a bell icon. Click to it so you can get notification from a video that I release every single day just for you to make money. So let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. The website I'm going to talk to you today is called Verblink.com. All the links is listed below in the description of this video, so you can get everything from there. And what is Verblink.com does is helping people through calls to learn languages. So you can see here, learn a language by speaking over 50 languages with 6,000 plus teachers in the most advanced language learning platform in the world. You can see this site has been featured in BBC, in Forbes, in Mashable, in TechCrunch, in VentureBeat, and you can see it's very, very legit and you can make money out of it now. Number one question I receive in all videos: does this work in my country? So let's find out. I think it does, because it has a trillion different countries and languages here. So come here, click on Find Teacher, will bring you to this page, and if your language is listed here, you can do this from your side. So click the drop down menu and see. You have any language. You have English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin, and goes. This is a popular one, and then it goes down here. So I'm scrolling down very slow. You can see Africans, Albanian, Arabic, Armenian, Azerbaijani. Guys, it's endless. So you can go down and see. I'm pretty sure this covers almost all countries around the globe, guys. So if your country is listed here, which I'm pretty sure it is, you are able to register and you are able to do it. Now, if you see your language here and you can register, let me show you a little bit how you should do this. Register and start with low rate, guys. You need to get some reviews. So as you can see, I want you to scroll down when it says Find Teachers, and you can see the language you're going to be teaching. Scroll down and see what are the current featured teachers they have here, so you can get an idea on how much they're charging per hour. And you should start with less, because these people, like for example, Louis here is teaching English. It's charging 25 euros per hour, yeah, and he's already having 219 positive reviews. So if you're starting this today, you are not gonna able to compete with Louis or any other teacher. We have already hundreds of reviews, and you put 24 euros per hour, for example, so you have €1 less than this guy. No, you should start from lower, and as you receive feedback, you're just gonna start building up. Yeah, so this is what you should do. Based on your language, come here, see what the featured teachers are having reviews, see what they're charging, and start definitely 30-40% less of what they charge. So you can see Kila Rose here, 137, she's about 15 euros. This guy just started, has 17 and 29. Alexandra here has 23, and she has almost very, very high positive feedback. She's from Canada. She has 834 reviews, over 1,301 lessons, guys. So you can see from here, you can take it and you can take an average, and you can see a little bit on how you can start. As I told you, most of the languages are here, and you can able to choose your country. Start with a good rate, guys. Don't start with a 30 something euros per rate or whatever is your language average. Definitely you should go below the average. I would suggest take the average of what you see here. Take the 10 featured teachers, take the average and divide that, I don't know, take at least 20%, 25%, mark it down so you can start. And once you start building up lessons and you're getting reviews, you can then slow and increase your price. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. A very nice site, available all around the globe, free to join. It's very easy if you are a native speaker of your language. A lot of people will pay because they want to learn your language, so why not go ahead and do it? You can schedule your own free times, and you can do it at the comfort of your house anytime you are flexible to do it from your side. So you can see, can bring you good income, guys, if you are put effort on this. I mean, as you can see, these guys already had 480 lessons. If you do that by 25, that's a very good number. And I'm not taking the reviews, because the reviews is what people don't actually give him feedback. This is the actual lessons that they happen, and they pay him. So if I scroll down to Alexandra, which is charging 23 euros per hour, and she already had 1,300 something lessons done, we're talking over 30,000 euros made out of this. So it's definitely worth a try, guys. Yeah. Now you maybe don't have as many hours and you want to put only a few hours per week. It's definitely worth it. It's up to you. You can try and you can see how much income it brings you in, and you can change and adjust your hours and schedule based on the income that comes in. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you want to see also my #1 recommendation that's gonna change your income, your life, the way it changed mine, guys, I have been living boss free. I fired my boss almost 2 years now. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. It's a great feeling. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm doing this full time now. Whenever I want to do it, I do it. If I don't feel like working today, I'm not gonna work. So click my #1 recommendation. Again, it's free. Video step by step showing you with proof how it works, and you can make a lot of money, passive income coming in even when you sleep. So why not give it a shot? Click, take a look, nothing to lose. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and I'm waiting to click the subscribe button. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Start making some money. Bye bye.